Hey, this is the DIY Magician. We're back with another quick and fun job you can do with old fence wood or pallet wood. This is simple and easy to do. This I call the barbecue utensil holder. That's right. Just like that, you can make your very own barbecue utensil holder. You can put pens, pencils in there. It's basically a fence board cut down, nailed at the bottom. You put a decorative item like an old horseshoe. Again, you have to have it pointing up. And then on the back, all I did was I set a mason jar in there and used some old chain and screwed the chain on. I cut it just the right length so that the mason jar is locked into place. And that's what you're left with. A fun decorative item to place on your shelf, to place on your desk, or in this case, to put utensils in to put on your table out when you're barbecuing. This is another one from the DIY Magician. Hey, if you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and you'll be able to get all the videos firsthand before they're posted anywhere else. Thanks again.